Hello, welcome to the tutorial of Zoho setup. For integrating your application or web server with Zoho, you need to visit Zoho API console. So first of all, we will search Zoho API console and you will get some results. Here you have to select this one where API console.zoho.com is written. By clicking on this, you will get option to sign up or login. Now as I am a new member, I will log in using Google. You can log in directly by entering your email ID. Then I will select one of my IDs. I will enter my phone number here. You have to agree with the term and conditions. Then you have to create your account. Wait for a second, then you will get a OTP 7. After verifying, you will get this page. Here you have to click on get started. Now based on your application, you have to select the client. Now this is where you have to choose among these. As our application is server based, we will create a server based application. By clicking on this, you have to enter client name. I'm just entering pet store here, and you have to add the home page URL of your application or web server. For the time being, I'm using Google, the URL of Google. Okay. Same with the redirect URL. Redirect URLs is also important. After entering this, you have to create. Now as you have generated client ID and client secret, now to generate access token and refresh token, we will move to Postman. You can also generate access token and refresh token using command prompt using CUL, but I will recommend Postman because it will be easier for you to do so. So in the search bar of Postman, you have to search the Zoho CRM REST APIs. So you will get this. Just click on this, open it, click on Zero Auth, and then click on generate access token. Now things to consider in this. First of all, whatever your client ID is, enter here. So we'll go here, we'll copy our client ID, then we will paste. Similarly with the client secret, we will copy and we will paste here. After doing so, you can see redirect URI. Okay, for redirect URIs, same, whatever we have entered, we'll just copy it and we will enter the redirect URI. Now you can see here accounts URL. If you will hover on this, you will get to see https accounts.zoho.in. So basically in India we are using .in domain. And we have also generated the client ID and client secret for .in by default. But in case you want to access .com or .eu or .au or .jp other domains, you can do it by using this. Just click on settings and just click on this. Just open it so that your client ID and client secret is now valid for .com also. But as we are using it in India only, we will keep it .in. Now you can see code. So for generating access token and refresh token, we need a code, and this code is only valid for 1 minute or 2. So for generating this, we will move to our next step. For the time being, we'll kept it as it is. Now as we are new to Zoho, we have to first log in Zoho CRM and Zoho inventory. So first of all, we will search Zoho CRM, and as we click on this, as we have already logged in through Zoho API console, we don't need to again enter our credentials. We can directly click on Access Zoho CRM. Now here we have to enter company name. For the time being, I am entering pet store, and employee count I'll add 2. Then I'll click on get started, wait for 10 seconds, and it's almost done. In a similar way, we have to set up Zoho inventory also. So we'll go to Google, and we have to then enter Zoho inventory. Okay, then we have to open Zoho inventory. After clicking on this, as we have already logged in, we can directly click on Access Zoho inventory. And now we have to enter organization name. We can enter pet store, then industry. I have selected consulting. Then the organization location, it's India, and the state, I have selected Delhi. And then inventory start date. It is very important. I have entered 30th of June. Then after clicking on get started, it will take 10 to 15 seconds, and it's done. Now, to generate code for generating our access token, we will go here at memo notepad. Here I have written this URL. So what exactly this URL means? You can see client ID equal to something. So just change it with your own client ID, copy it, paste it over there. You can also see redirect URL. Again, you go to Zoho API console, whatever redirect URL you have entered, just copy it and paste it over here. Now you can see scope. What is actually scope is? Scope is basically what are the modules you want to access through APIs. Basically, what are the Zoho modules you want to access through APIs. So here you can see I have been using Zoho inventory.fullaccess.all, means I'm accessing all the modules of Zoho inventory. Similar with Zoho CRM modules.all, means I'm using all the modules of Zoho CRM. Now we will copy this and paste it in the address bar. Just paste it, enter. Now we will get option to accept, so that we are able to access through APIs. So we'll click on accept. A thread means create, read, update, and delete. You click on accept. Now you can see in the address bar, code equal to something is written over there. We will copy from here to till 100 dot. We'll just copy it and we will paste in the code. After pasting it, we will just click on send. And here we got our access token and refresh token. Now the access token and refresh token will be used to access APIs. You can save it somewhere. That's all. Thank you.